Hey guys, who does not love an unboxing? I do. It is something that I look forward to. And right now I have this spring 2024 FabFitFun box, and here it is. So I'm going to show you what I chose. You can choose. I'm an annual member, so I had 6 custom choices, and I'll show you what I got. So I love FabFitFun. There are 2 subscription boxes I pay for. I pay for FabFitFun and I pay for Ipsy. I love the makeup choices of Ipsy, and I love like the home and skincare choices on FabFitFun. So let me show you what I got, guys. First, I chose a pickleball set. Everybody is so into pickleball, so I thought it would be a great idea to get a little pickleball bag and paddles and ball. So we're going to be doing this a lot this summer. So I thought this was a really cute, fun set, and my kids can bring it to the beach. We can play. So cool. And of course, I'm a little water bottle obsessed because I have 3 kids. I love this color and I love this bottle. So I picked that. It's a swell. It's really nice. And basically with your FabFitFun box, I think, you know, you pay a fixed price and you basically get like a couple $100 worth of products, and I think you pay $49.99 if you're an annual member, which is per box. So there are 4 boxes, so that's pretty cool. Then I got this, which I'm really looking forward to using. These organic shampoo and conditioner. So I like clean products, and these are the new company, NUE. They have no silicone, SLS, parabens, or artificial fragrance. So they're fragrance free. I'm excited to try those. These are a lot of great products. And then I got some brain puzzles and activities for adults. I thought this was really cool too. Let me show you this, which is awesome. And they're just be happy puzzles and activities and coloring and fun things like that. So I'm going to take this with me on vacation, and I'm going to be doing these. And this is Make Today Better, more puzzles and activities. So anything like brain game wise, I love. And then for my skincare products, I got a Dream Booster, which is an anti-aging serum. This is Beekman 1802. I like this line, and it is an age-defying serum. So I got this one, and it is like Bakuchioli Better. I can't even say the word. I don't know. Bakuchiol. That's what it is. And then I also got, because I'm obsessed with under eye cream for the bags and stuff like that, but I have no eye bags today because I use the Mare, those eye patches. So if I can get an eye patch in my FabFitFun box, I always do that. And then, you know, those are the key items that I always go for. So like I said, people custom choice to whatever they like. But for me, I love home products like glasses, blankets, like wine glasses, blankets, water bottles, stuff like that, and skincare products. So, you know, to each their own, but I just want to show you what I got in my box. All right, take care, guys. Bye.